to apply and participate in the PERITIA Mystery Box. Okay, the PERITIA Mystery Box will be unveiling today. Today is 30th of April 2024, so I don't know the time you're going to watch this video on your FYP or on YouTube, but it's launching today, as in it's going to be open today. So if you want to participate, if you want to be a part of the mystery box stuff, just watch this video. But before you do that, please like the video and click on that red plus button there to follow me, so that you'll be getting more videos like this. Because right here in this page, in this channel, I talk about anything money. So now we're talking about PERITIA platform, how to apply and participate in the mystery box. See you. When you log into your PERITIA account, sorry, this is not the regular Android mobile version. This is a desktop. You scroll to mystery, you click on it, allow it to load, then it will open. You see it has 3 stops in the mystery box: watch, iPod, and power bank. So let's click on power bank, because me, I love power bank. It will open for you to input your correct details. Please put your correct full name. Let's just use this one. Then your home address, very detailed home address to the last bus stop, so that the stuff will get to the exact home address. If not, you will miss it. If you eventually win, when they want to get it to you, it might end up getting to the wrong destination. So try to make your address to be very, very detailed, very, very detailed, for a stranger to be able to locate you. Then the next thing is phone number. Normally, now when you're expecting a package, you put your phone number so that whoever is sending the package can call you on phone. As you can see there, that's the name of the power bank we have chosen. Now, then you click submit. This is just how easy it is. Then it's input received. You have applied for mystery luxury. The winner will be announced. So when the winner is announced, your stuff will be sent to you.